guys, so I just wanted to come on and talk to you really quick before I end the video, and just thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I also wanted to talk to you guys really quick about the Sole Janeiro spray that I use, and I comboed it with the vanilla musk. This is a fragrance oil, and it smells so good, and it has black amber plum and vanilla woods, so I thought it would pair well with the vanilla musk. And I'm telling you, these two smell so good together. This combo I highly recommend. I got this from Ulta, and I got this from Sephora. I really enjoyed filming today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.